Y'all, we're live. Alright, folks, we're live. We're going to do some GitHub Copilot stuff today. It's going to be an awesome stream. Let me go ahead and quick put the link in Twitter, and we're going to go ahead and get this party started. So I'm super excited that y'all are here. This is a rare Tuesday stream. Normally I do not stream on Tuesdays, but we've got some special treats for you today. So let's go ahead and get this thing started. All right, so we're live. Hey, Michael, how are you? I'm super excited that you're here. Michael's awesome, folks. I'm hoping that he gets his Mac today, so that'll be awesome. And if he does, you know we're going to be doing a double live stream, right? So let me go ahead and put this in Twitter real fast, and then we're going to get started. Michael, okay. All right. So, let me go ahead and put this in Twitter. All right, well, I can't really do that right now because I'm having issues. Michael, if you wouldn't mind doing that. But we're going to go ahead and get started today. So, why am I streaming on a Tuesday? What is this big deal about GitHub Copilot? GitHub Copilot is an AI paired programming assistant. And it's a technical preview that I've been waiting for months. And so I got the email and I knew that I had to go act on it. Basically, it can help you pair program, meaning that it can help you suggest code snippets and write entire blocks of code for you. It's based on the OpenAI codec, and it is also based on some Stack Overflow as well. So, what we're going to do, folks, is we're going to go ahead and get started. I'm going to be sharing my screen, and it's going to be a joyride. I'm going to be doing some accessibility reviews, and I'm also just going to be talking about the product as a whole. So y'all don't want to miss it because it's going to be pretty epic. So let's go ahead and get this party started. So let me first share my screen, and then what we're going to do is I'm going to go into my VS Code, and the first thing we have to do, because this is a only VS Code extension, is we have to download the GitHub Copilot VS Code extension. So I'm going to go ahead, share my screen, and I'm not going to share sound for the first part of it, just because I really want to share sound once I actually get the extension. But I am going to share sound once I get the extension, but I've installed the extension before with speech, so I don't feel like I need to repeat the process. If you haven't seen my live VS Code with Assistive Technology tutorial, you'll want to go check that out. But let me just share my screen here. I'm going to open up VS Code. And there's also something called vscode.dev. Oops, which I'm going to have to do another teardown about. I'm going to open Visual Studio Code. All right. Okay. So I'm getting a whole bunch of updates here. Hold on, folks. Let me go to my system dialogues. So the first thing you're going to do is enable the GitHub Copilot extension by installing it. I've already did that, apparently. Okay. So I am having issues apparently. I'm going to go ahead and restart my VS Code. But apparently I was having some issues. So got some release notes. I'm going to hit allow. Okay. All right. So we've now done this. So at the next point, I've already signed in with GitHub. And so our next thing is we're going to actually play with the extension. Now, I have a little notification I need to accept. But if you haven't installed the extension before, you'll just go to your extensions and you'll hit install extension. So Command-Shift-X on Mac. And then you'll install the extension. So I'm going to do... Whoops. Not that. Okay. I'm going to find notifications. And the way I'm going to do that is notifications. I agree. Okay, so I just hit I agree, and we're ready to rock, I think, folks. I think we're doing some GitHub Copilot, and we're going to go ahead and program some stuff. So, if you're in chat, feel free to say hi, and I would love to interact with you guys. Also, check the website. We just launched the Tay's Tech Talks website again today. So feel free to check that out. I'm super excited. We also have our new membership system as well. Patreon wasn't working. They took 60% of my revenue, and I wasn't going to have it. So feel free, folks, to join me as a supporter. All right. So let's see what we got here. I just agreed to these terms. All right, so Copilot is activated. So what we're going to do is we're going to start trying to actually use this thing. So do I have any questions in my chat before I actually get going? I'm going to stop screen sharing for the moment. Any questions in the chat from anyone about Copilot before we actually get into the meat of this demo? I'm just going to give it about 20 to 30 seconds, and then I'm going to go ahead and resume. Okay. All right. I don't see any messages. All right. I can't resist anymore, folks.
You have started a screen share. First thoughts on accessibility review. YouTube, Google Chrome, Taylor, window. Heading level 1, playing with GitHub Copilot. First thoughts on accessibility review. In dim system dialog. Content is empty. In system dialog. Content is empty. In sensor indicator.
Reminder that any chat messages are going to be read aloud. So because of my text to speech, they're going to be read aloud. So just keep it civil. Thank you so much, please and thank you. let's go ahead and get this party started. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into my VS Code, and I'm going to create a new project. But before I do that, I'm going to go to Terminal. So I'm just going to find
Zoom
Terminal.
US has new system T-E-R-M-N-A-L. Chrome. Planet. Terminal. Taylor space. %. Taylor Taylor -. Tilde %.
I'm going to do Documents.
C-E-C-U-S. New line. Documents. New line. New line. %. New line.
I'm going to do MKDIR.
Dear.
Tay.
T-A-Y. T-S. Two Y's.
Actually, hold on.
S-Y-A-T. Space R. R. Space.
GHC.
G. H. C.
Review.
R-E-V-I-E-W.
GitHub Copilot.
GHC review.
I don't know.
Taylor
Alright, I'm going to do CD. GHC.
C. C. H. C review slash.
I'm going to press Tab.
Taylor
Code.
Code.
Period.
New line. Taylor web content. Main overview.
Code will open up the Visual Studio Code in that folder that I specified. I'm going to say I trust it.
Zoom button. Zoom button.
Oops.
Zoom button. Zoom button.
Hold on, VS Code.
Get started. Overview. Editing evolved. End of main. Live tweet feedback. Copilot logo. End. Copilot logo. Tweet feedback. Copilot logo. Deactivate Copilot group.
I'm going to press Command N to create a new file.
Edit text main.
Anyone in chat, what kind of programming language should we start with first? I'm thinking Python. What are your thoughts? I'm thinking Python. That way it's just something simple. So let's actually do Python. I'm going to do Command S to save a new file.
In save as dot.
I'm going to call this hello
H-E-L-L-O.
.py.
Hello-P-Y. Hello.py.
And I'm going to press enter.
Learn more button.
Uh-oh.
This app will not work with future versions of macOS and needs to be Visual Studio Code needs to be updated. Learn more button. Okay.
That is a
button.
wonderful message
Code.
to get.
Hello.py. GHC review window. Hello.py. Edit text.
Okay, so now I have a Python file. So I don't really know what I'm doing, folks, but I think if I start typing a comment and I say, let's see, let me try something like print hello to the screen. So I'm going to do command question mark.
Number.
Print.
T,
Hello.
Print. L. L. O. O. Whoa. R. E. World. Edit text. Number print hello world. New
Now,
line.
is that how this works? I'm not even sure how Copilot's supposed to work, folks. So
Greater than. Type the name of the command to run. Menu pop-up combo box greater than 756 results group. Publish in GitHub. Selected. Git. Open. GitHub Copilot. GitHub Copilot. GitHub Copilot. Toggle on / off. GitHub Copilot. Update. Git clone. GitHub Copilot. Alert dialog. Okay. Default button. Command. GitHub Copilot. Command. GitHub Copilot. Okay. Default button. Closing
okay.
Number print hello world.
So that
New
didn't
line.
seem to work. So I'm trying to figure out if I even have it activated. So let me try this again. Again, folks, I've never done this before, so you're going to expect this.
Greater than. Type the name of GitHub Copilot. Update. Selected. 1 of 31. Closing. Publish to GitHub. 13 results. GitHub Copilot. Update. Publish to GitHub. Selected. Open GitHub Copilot. Open GitHub Copilot. Selected. GitHub Copilot. Send feedback. GitHub Copilot. Toggle on / off. Info. Disabling Copilot.
No, I don't want to do that, so let me try that again.
Greater than. Type in GitHub. Workspaces. Save workspace. GitHub Copilot. Toggle on / off. Hello.py. Edit text main.
Okay.
Hello. Edit.
Let me see what we got here.
Notifications list 1 item. Disabling Copilot. Source. GitHub Copilot. Extension. Globally. GitHub. Source. GitHub Copilot. Source. GitHub. Out. Source. GitHub Copilot. Extension. Out. GitHub Copilot. Extension. Group. For Python. Selected button. Entering notification actions toolbar. Configure notification. Selected. Configure notification. Selected menu pop-up collapse button. Clear notification. Command.
Okay.
Out of notification actions toolbar. Disable. For Python. Selected button. Disabling Copilot. GitHub Copilot. Extension. Group. Globally. Selected button.
I want to escape out of that.
And 2 more items.
So.
Group. Out. Close. Minimize button. Full. Hello.py. GHC review web content. Item was removed. Hello.py. Edit text main. H.I. has filling not selected. Hi.
Now, what if I do?
P. R. P. I. Hello.py. Menu pop-up edit text. Pattern not selected. 6 of 7. Permission error not selected. 5 of 7. Permission error. Edit
Now,
text.
I know how to code in Python.
Permission error.
But I want to see if Copilot can help me. So let me see if I can even get it to work first.
Greater than. Type the name of the command to run. Menu. GitHub. Git. Open repository. Selected. Debug. Open link. 63.
Again, y'all, I'm making a fool of myself, but I'm playing around with this.
Reopen editor text editor. Git. Open repository. Developer. Open extension. Developer. Open log file. Developer. Open. Developer. Open process. Developer. Open UI. Developer. Open web. Explorer. Focus. Extensions. Open extension. File. Clear recently. File. Open
Alright, let me try this
command plus KO. Hello. Greater than. Type the name of GitHub. 5 results. Closing menu. GitHub Copilot. Update. GitHub Copilot. GitHub Copilot. Toggle on / off. Publish to GitHub. GitHub Copilot. Send feedback. Open GitHub Copilot. GitHub Copilot. Preview. Editor. Group 2. Edit text. No synthesized solution found. Insertion at beginning of text.
No synthesized solutions found.
GitHub Copilot. GitHub Copilot. No. Solutions found. Edit text. No synthesized solution found. Cannot edit in the editor. Out. No. Cannot. GitHub Copilot. Out. Hello.py. Editor group. GitHub Copilot. Hello.py. Editor group 1. Closing menu. New line. New line.
Okay, so I'm gonna do print.
Print not selected. Closing menu. T. Print. Asterisk values. Object print value.
Michael Toys. Python.
HELLO. Hello. WORLE.
Yes, Michael, I'm doing
World.
Python.
Quote. Right parenthesis. Right. Quote. E. Quote. Right parenthesis. New line.
Okay, so I'm hoping that Copilot will take effect now if I say print something else to the screen. I don't know why I can't get anything to work, but let's see. So, print.
Number. K. Closing menu. HELLO. Hello. T2. SCREN. 2. Print. Hello. OLLEH. Hello. 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 2. Screen. N. New line. Screen. Print. Number print hello to screen. Print.
Okay.
Number print hello to screen.
So
Number
let
print
me
hello
see
to
if I
screen.
can-
Actions menu. Show menu. Menu. 24 items. Go to references. Peak. Find all show call hierarchy. Rename symbol. Change all occurrence. Format selection. Refactor. Source action. Cut command X. Copy command C. Paste command. Run current file. Run from line in interactive window. Run selection /line. Run to line in. Run Python file. Enter. Run selections. Sort imports. Command palette. Go to definition. Go to declaration. Go to references. Peak. Find all show call hierarchy.
Okay.
Rename symbol. Change all occurrences.
So-
Command F2. Closing. Hello. Out of hello. Editor. GitHub Copilot. Preview. Editor. End of main. In GitHub Copilot.
I don't know
Preview.
who's
Editor.
calling
Root
me
2.
right now, but I'm not gonna answer my phone right now because I am streaming, folks.
GitHub Copilot. Preview. Edit. No. Synthesized.
So-
Edit text. New line. No synthesized solution
No
found.
synthesized
Cannot edit
solutions
the editor.
found. Okay, so something I might not be doing right, or something's not configured right because I can't get anything to work.
New line. Out of GitHub Copilot.
So-
Preview. Editor. Root 2. Edit text. GitHub Copilot. GitHub Copilot. Preview. Editor actions toolbar. GitHub editor actions toolbar. Hello. And tilde slash document slash GHC review slash hello. List hello.py 1 item. Hello.py. Edit. And hello.py. Editor group 1. Edit. Number print hello. New line. Number print hello to screen. New line. Number print. New line. Print. New line. Number print hello to screen.
So let me
Selected.
figure out
New
what I'm
right
doing
parenthesis.
wrong here. So
New line. Print. Hello world.
let me see if I'm.
Greater than. Type the name of the command to run. Open GitHub Copilot. Selected. GitHub Copilot. Toggle on slash off. GitHub Copilot. Update. Shell command. Install code. Copy command .com. Copy line down. Copy line up. Developer. File. Merge conflict. Jupyter. GitHub Copilot. File. GitHub Copilot. Send feedback. File. Copy relative. Jupyter. Convert a notebook to Python. Developer. Log with developer. Copy with copy line. Open GitHub Copilot. GitHub Copilot. Toggle on slash off. Test. Configure test profiles. Shell command. Uninstall code.
Let's see.
Open GitHub Copilot. GitHub Copilot. Preview. Editor. Root 2. Edit text. GitHub Copilot. Preview. Editor. Root 2. Edit text. Synthesizing 10/10 solutions. Duplicate hidden. Equals.
Okay.
Print. Hello world. Print. Hello world. Equals. Print. Hello world. Insertion at beginning of text.
So now I've got synthesizing 10 of 10 solutions. So I figured something out here, folks. I'm printing 10. I'm sorry. I am synthesizing 10 solutions. So how do I select one of these solutions, I wonder? Let me go ahead and see.
GitHub Copilot. Preview. Accept. GitHub Copilot. Synthesizing. Edit text. New line. Synthesizing 10/10 solutions. Duplicate hidden. New equals. New line. Print. Hello world. New line. Print. Hello world. New line equals. New line. Print. Hello world. New line.
Why are these
New
all
line.
the same?
New line equals. New line.
Let's see.
Print. Hello world. New line. New print. Left quote HELLORLE. Right parenthesis. Right
Ah,
quotation
so
mark.
this one has an exclamation mark. Okay, I want to try to accept this
Actions
one.
menu. Show menu.
So I'm going to show menu.
Menu. 8 items. Copy. Run current file. Run selections. Run selection. Sort imports. Command. Copy command. Run current. Run from
So
line.
I
Run
have to
selections.
figure
Line.
out how do I
Shift,
accept
return.
this solution.
Closing menu. Cannot edit in the editor. World. Hello. Print. World. Hello. Print. Zoom.us. Button.
Because I can't.
Button. Taylor.
Oh, apparently I lost focus.
Terminal. GHC review. ZS8 code. Equals. Print. Hello. Out of edit. Accept solution.
Okay, so I just hit
Hello world.
accept solution, and I wonder which one I actually accepted. So that's kind of a thing. I don't know which one I actually accepted because it was hard to tell. So let me see what I've accepted, folks.
Edit text. New line. New right quote ELRLE quotation mark. Right parenthesis.
Well, I accepted the one with a quotation mark. So let me do something a little bit more complicated. We did hello world. That seemed to work okay. But what if I say add two numbers?
New line.
So let's
New
see.
line. Print. Number.
Add
New line. 2.
numbers.
2. NUMBERS. Numbers. New line. Hello.py. Edit text. Out of N. No problems group. Python 3.9.764-bit slash Python 3.9 out of Python hello.py group and list. Tilde slash document slash list hello.py 1 item. Editor actions toolbar. List hello.py 1 item. Editor action. List hello.py 1 item. Editor actions. Hello.py. Selected. Editor action. Hello. Tab actions toolbar. Tilde slash document slash GHC. Hello.py. Hello.py. Edit text. Number. New line.
Okay, and then I have to open up GitHub Copilot.
Greater than. Type. Open GitHub Copilot. Selected. 1 of 756. GitHub Copilot. Preview. Editor. Group 2. Edit text. Synthesizing 9/10 solutions. Duplicates hidden.
Okay.
Equals. Def add A. B. Return plus B. Equals. Number. Add 2 numbers. And 1 equals 10 and 2.
Whoa! Look at this, folks. Look at this massive nightmare. I mean, really not a nightmare. But look at this, folks. I said, I said add 2 numbers. Isn't this awesome? Add 2 numbers, and then it has 10 solutions for me to choose from.
GitHub Copilot. 9, 10 solutions. Edit text. Synthesizing 9 new. Def. Return plus B. New line. Equals. New line. Number. Add 2 numbers. New line. And 1 equals 10. And 2 equals 20. New line. Print. And 1 plus and 2.
Let's see which one I like better.
New line. Equals. New line. Number. Add 2 numbers. New line. Number. And 1 equals input. Enter the first number.
Ooh, look at this one. Fancy, folks.
Number. And 2 equals input. Enter the second number.
All right.
New line. Equals.
Look at this magicness, folks. Isn't this awesome? Look at this. It says input. I can have these 10 solutions, and I can choose which one I want. Y'all, this is programming. This is awesome, folks. This is what I'm talking about.
New line.
All right?
Equals.
So,
New line. Number. Add 2 numbers. New line. Equals 10.
let me see here.
Number. Add 2 numbers. New line. Number. And 1 equals input. Enter the first number. First number. And 2 equals input. Enter yes. First number. And 2 equals input. Enter the second number. Out of edit. Accept solution. Now,
the problem is, folks, it says accept solution. I don't know which button I'm hitting because they all say accept solution. I don't know visually, I don't know with a screen reader what button I'm actually pressing. Okay? So that's something that I don't know. So
accept solution. Out of end of main.
let me see.
GitHub accept solution. Equals 10. B equals 20. Print. A plus B equals a plus B.
Well, I didn't want to accept that one. Whoops. Anyone in chat right now, what are your thoughts on this craziness? Do you like it? Do you hate it? What are your thoughts?
Edit text. New line. Print. A plus B equals a plus B. New line. B equals 20. New line. Equals 10. New line. Equals 10.
I want to hear everyone's thoughts.
B equals 20. Print. A plus B equals.
So, what we're going to do, folks, is we're actually going to make a calculator in a minute. Yes, I said it right. We're going to make a calculator live on stream using only GitHub Copilot. We're going to do it, and it's going to be epic. So, here we go, folks. What we're going to do is I am going to clear out everything we have in our document.
Print. Hello.
And we're going to make a calculator. So, the first step in making a calculator is we need to get 2 numbers from the user. So, I'm going to say get
number. F E.
Whoops.
T E F G E space
2 numbers
numbers
from
F O N from user. New line.
I'm going to open up Copilot.
At no editor symbols. Menu pop up combo box at hello.py greater than. Type the name of the command to open GitHub Copilot. Selected 1 of 758. GitHub Copilot preview editor group 910 solutions equals GitHub Copilot preview in synthesis 9/10 so equal no get edit text and 2 equals input enter and 1 equals input enter first number.
Okay.
And 2 equals input enter second number.
I like it.
New line. Equals.
Isn't this cool, y'all?
New line. Number get 2 numbers from user. Number print the sum of the numbers. New line.
Whoa, and print the sum? Well, I don't really want to print the sum because I want to check to see what operation they want to do. So I don't really want to print the sum of the numbers, but let's see what this one has to offer us.
Print, give me 2 numbers and I'll add them.
Whoa! Print, give me 2 numbers and I'll add them? Whoa! Y'all, man, I know we might have had a crappy day at work today, but this just makes me want to program and not stop.
Print, enter, Q to quit.
Whoa!
New line. While true.
Whoa! A while loop?
First underscore number equals input, backslash and first number.
Y'all! Whoa!
If first underscore number equals Q, break.
Look at this, folks.
Second underscore number equals input,
Is
second
anyone
number.
watching me right now? Because if you are, or even if you're watching afterwards, holy smokes, y'all.
If second underscore number equals Q, break. Try. Answer equals int first underscore number plus int second underscore number.
Wow.
Except value error. Print. You need to enter numbers. Else. Print answer. New line. Equals equals equals. New line. Number get two numbers from user. Number and print the sum. New line. A equals int input enter. B equals int input enter another number. Print the sum of left brace right brace. New line. Equals equals equals. New line. Number get two numbers from user. Number find the sum. Number print the sum. New line. A equals float input enter first number. B equals float input enter second number. New line. C equals plus B. New line. Print sum is C. New line. Equals equals equals. New line. Number get two numbers from user. Number add them together. Number print the result. New line.
Michael Toys. This is awesome.
Michael, are you happy? Has this made your day?
Equals equals equals.
I know you were having a pretty crappy day today, but I think that this may make your day.
New line. Number get two numbers from user. Number add them and print result. New line. Import size. New line.
Aww.
Equals equals equals. New line. Number get two numbers from user. New line. Number get first number. First equals input enter first number. New line. Equals equals equals. New line. Number get two numbers from user. Number print the sum. New line. Equals equals equals. New line. Number get two numbers from user. Number print of them. New line. Print hello world. New line.
Wow. I am telling you guys. Wow. Okay, so I like that solution, but I want to see if I can say, hey, make a calculator.
Michael Toys. Yeah, this is amazing.
What would happen if I tell GitHub Copilot, make me a calculator? Are you ready, folks? Because, adding two numbers, that was one thing. But I want to say, just make me a calculator. Just do it right now. I don't know if it'll do it, but let me just see. Hold on.
Synthesizing 9/10 solutions.
All right, hold
equals
on.
equals equals. Out of accept solution. Accept
Hold
accept
on.
out edit GitHub Copilot preview editor actions. GitHub Copilot preview end of list tilde slash document slash sheet hello.py editor group 1 group.
Y'all,
GitHub
we're about
Copilot
ready to
preview
try this.
editor group 2
Ready?
edit text. Accept solution. Out edit hello.py editor group end of list hello.py editor group 1 edit closing menu hello.py editor group 1 edit text number new line
All
new
right,
line
ready?
number get two numbers from user
Make
number make a c a l u a l
Oops.
l a u c l a c c a l u a t calculator a add space adds s b s c c s t o a c t s space u l t t l u m s subtract adds that calculator selected that adds that adds
All right,
that adds
let's see what happens when I tell it, make a calculator.
space
This is probably going to
Space.
fail.
hello.py out of hello editor GitHub Copilot pre end of main Python 3.9 no problems group live share notifications tweet feedback Copilot Python group LF group UTF space LN1 screen leader cannot edit end of cannot screen leader optimized group cannot notification tweet Copilot logo deactivate
All right, what do we
Python
got?
select entering active leaving active use GitHub Copilot entering editor actions toolbar split editor right leaving editor actions entering tab actions toolbar close command W leaving tab actions hello.py editor group 1 edit text number make a calculator insertion at end of text greater than type the name of the command to run menu pop GitHub Copilot open GitHub Copilot GitHub Copilot preview editor group 2 edit text synthesizing 6/10 solutions duplicates hidden equals
Okay.
number edit text equals new line number make a calculator new line from Kinder imports are
What? Y'all? Do you know what that module is, folks? That's a GUI module, folks. That is a graphical toolkit. Look at this nonsense, y'all.
new line equals new line number make a calculator new line import Kinder message box new line equals new line
Okay.
number make a calculator new line import size new line equals new line number make a calculator new line import OS new line
So that wasn't great, but it showed me some modules that I could use. So let's go back to our original plan and let us do something like this. So now we kind of know we need to be a little bit more broad, now we know that we need to be a little bit less broad. So let's do this instead. Let's say make a program to add, subtract, multiply, or divide numbers. Okay? Let's do a little bit more broad.
hello.py editor group 1 group GitHub Copilot
Okay.
preview editor group 2 edit text synthesizing 6/10 solutions duplicates hidden equals number make a calculator from Kinder imports are GitHub Copilot accept solution out edit GitHub hello.py editor group 1 group synthesizing 6/10 solutions duplicates hidden equals Python 3.9.764 bit leaving editor action GitHub Copilot preview editor group 2
Let me
edit
see
text
here.
synthesize out editor GitHub hello.py editor and list hello.py editor group 1 group. GitHub Copilot preview editor group 2 edit text synthesizing 6/10 solutions. GitHub Copilot preview editor group 2 edit text synthesizing 6/10 solutions. Duplicates hidden equal Python 3.9.764-bit /home/Python entering active user explore search shift command F out manage explore files explorer outline section selected collapse button main editor hello.py editor actions toolbar hello.py editor group 1 edit text number make a calculator number make a calculator number A E A P O G O N O 2 A E add S E B B O A C subtract T C A R B B U S U B T O A C space M U L T I P L multiply and D D space D and D E V I C device C C I V E D D E V I C E space C C D E space divide E E space N U B E R S space A S K S U S E user 4 O P E R H I O N
All right.
N
Now,
New line.
I don't know what we're going to get, folks. But basically, I told the program what it needed to do, okay? I said, hey, make a program that allows the user to add, multiply, subtract, and divide numbers and ask for an operation. We're going to see what kind of madness I can get myself into.
Hello, out help, editor, GitHub, and Python 3.9, no problem, live share, notification, tweet, Copilot, Python, LF group, UTF, space, LN2, screen reader, cannot, end up, cannot, screen reader optimized group, cannot edit in the editor. LN2, call 1, tweet feedback, selected button, Copilot, LF, UTF, spaces, 4, LN, screen, live, no, Python, notification, tweet feed, Copilot, Python, LF, UTF, 8, selected button. Entering active user tool, leaving active user.
Alright, so I gotta open up Copilot.
Accounts greater than, open GitHub Copilot, selected, 1 of 700, menu, 4 items.
Okay.
Menu, 4 items. Menu, 4 items. Python 3.9, entering active user toolbar. Explorer, shift, leaving files explorer. Hello.py, entering tab actions toolbar. Leaving editor actions, list. Number and numbers. Hello.py, editor group 1, number and numbers. Number make a program to add, subtract, number and numbers. Out of help, editor, GitHub Copilot, end of main. Python 3.9.764-bit /n, GitHub Copilot, preview, editor group 2 group. In GitHub Copilot, preview, editor group, Python 3.9.764, tweet feedback,
I'm
selected
having a
button.
little trouble navigating here. Hold on. Let me.
Ignoring next key press. Hello.py, editor group 1, edit text. Entering quick input list box. Hello.py group, selected, 1 of 1, application. Hello.py, editor group 1, edit text. Number make a program to add, subtract, multiply, and divide numbers. GitHub Copilot, preview, editor group 2, selected, tab, group, 1 of 1. GitHub Copilot, preview, editor group, edit text, new line. Synthesizing 9/10 solutions, duplicates hidden. New line, equals.
Here we go.
New line. Number make a program to add, subtract, new line. Number ask user for first number. M1 equals input, enter first number.
Okay.
Number ask user for second number. M2 equals input, enter second number. Number ask user for operation. Operation equals input, enter operation. New line. Equals.
Okay.
New line. Number make a program to add, subtract, multiply, and divide numbers. Ask user for operation. New line. Number ask user for first number. Number 1 equals input, enter your first number. Number ask user for second number. Number 2 equals input, and number ask user for operation. Operation equals input, number convert number 1 and number 2. Number 1 equals int, number 1. Operation equals input, what operation do you want? Number convert number 1 and number 2 to integer. Number 2 equals int, number 2. Number if operation is plus. New line. Equals.
Whoa.
Number if operation is plus. New line. Number make a program to add, subtract, new line. Print, welcome to the calculator. New number make a program, new print.
Whoa. And holy smokes.
Print.
Oh my god.
Print, welcome to the calculator.
Welcome to the calculator. Oh gosh.
Print, press 1 for addition. Press 2 for subtraction.
Whoa.
Press 3 for multiplication.
Whoa.
Press 4 for division.
Whoa.
New line. Operation equals input, enter your operation.
Whoa.
New line. M1 equals float, input, enter first number.
Whoa.
M2 equals float, input, enter second number. New line. Equals. New line. Number make a program to add, subtract, multiply, and divide numbers. Ask user for operation.
Wait a second.
New line. M2 equals float, input, enter second. M1 equals float, input, new line. Operation equals input, enter your operation. New line.
Okay. Right, so obviously it might not give you all the code at first, but it gives you... Wait a second. Let me read this again.
Press 3 for multiplication. Print. Welcome to the calculator. Print. New line. Operation equals input, enter your operation. New line. M1 equals float, input, enter first number. M2 equals float, input, enter second number. New line. Equals. New line. Number make a program to add, subtract, new line. Import size. New line. Equals. New line. Number make a program to add, subtract, multiply, and divide numbers. Ask user for number and numbers. Number ask the user for 2 number. Number ask the user for an operation. Number perform the operation on the 2 numbers. Number display the result. Number. New line. Equals. New line. Number make a program to add, subtract, multiply, and divide numbers. Ask user for number ask for 2 numbers and then number print the result. Number check if the user wants to continue. New line. Number check. New line. Number make a program to add, subtract, multiply, and divide number and input. New line. Equals. New line. Number make a program to add, subtract, number and numbers. Number. New line. GitHub Copilot. Accept solution. Accept GitHub Copilot. Preview. Editor. Group 2. Edit text. Synthesizing 9/10 solutions. Duplicates hidden. Equals. New line. Number. Make a program to add, subtract, multiply, and divide numbers. Ask user for operation. Number and numbers. Number. New line. Number. Ask the user for two numbers. Number and numbers. New line. Import size. New line. Number. New line. N1 equals float. Input. Enter first number. N2 equals float. New line. Equals. New line. Equals. New line. Number. Make a program. New line. Equals. New line. Number 1 equals int. Number 1. Number operation equals input. What operation do you want to perform? Plus. Star. Slash. Number 1 equals int. Number 1. Number 2 equals. Number if operation is plus. New line. Equals. New number if operation is plus.
Here, I'm gonna accept this one actually, because this one, it already has some of the logic behind it. So I'm gonna first accept this one.
Number 2. Out of edit. Accept solution. Hello.py. Edit text. Number. Make a program to add, subtract, multiply, and divide numbers. Ask user for operation. Number and numbers. Number. Ask the user for two numbers. Number. Ask the user for an operation. Number.
Okay.
Perform the operation on two numbers. Number. Display. Edit text. Number and numbers. Number. Display the result. Number. Perform the number. Ask the number. Make a program to add, subtract, multiply, and number and numbers.
Well, maybe.
New line.
That didn't work too well, folks.
Number. Make a program to add,
Let's try
subtract.
this
Number.
again.
Make a program to add, subtract, multiply, and divide numbers. Ask user for
Okay.
operation and numbers. Ask the user for two numbers.
So,
Ask the user for an operation.
let's
Perform
try
operation
this
on two
again,
numbers. Display the
folks.
result. Number and numbers.
So, alright, so we're going to be making a calculator. So, the first thing I want to do is I want to, let's kind of do it and break it down. Because, like, it can give part of the solution. But let's kind of see, now that we kind of see that, let's actually break it down again. And so, first we're going to get the two numbers. So, get two numbers.
Number. G-E. Get. 2. N-U-B-E-R-F. Numbers. A-N-O-B-E-A-T-I-O-N. Operation.
Get two numbers and operation. So this is the questions, right? So they're going to get two numbers and they're going to get an operation. After they get the two numbers and the operation, then we'll go from there. All right? So we're going to kind of break this down again. So, because we kind of know what it's going to do.
Greater than. Type the name of the command. Open GitHub Copilot. Selected.
Okay.
1 of 758.
So,
710 solutions. Equals. 810 solutions. Equals. GitHub Copilot. Preview. Edit. Equals. New line. Equals. New number. Get two numbers in operation. Number. Prove result. New line. Print. Enter two numbers and an operator. N1 equals float. Input. First number.
okay.
N2 equals float. Input. Second number. Op equals input. Operation.
I don't know if I like that.
New line. Equals. New line. Number. Get two numbers in operation. Number. Calculate results in print. New line. Equals input. Enter first number. B equals input. Enter second number. New line. Print. / choose an operation. Print 1. Add. Print 2. Subtract. Print 3. Multiply. Print 4. Divide. New line. Choice equals input. Enter choice 1/2/3/4. New line. Equals. New line. Number. Get two numbers in operation. Number. Do the operation. Number. Print the result. New line. Import size. New line. Equals. New line. Number. Get two numbers in operation. Number. Show the result. New line. Import size. New line. Equals. New line. Number. Get two numbers in operation. Number. Do number. Print result. New line. Equals. New line. Number. Get two numbers in operation. Number. New line. Import. New line. Equals.
Okay.
New line. Number. Get two numbers in operation. Number. Calculate. New line. Equals. New line. Number. Get two numbers in operation. Number. Return answer. New line.
Okay, so
Number. Return answer.
why am I not getting all these solutions?
Number. Get two new line. Equals. New line. Import size. New line. Number. Get two numbers in operation. New line. Equals. New line. Choice equals int. New line. Print 4. Divide. Print 3. Multiply. Print 2. Subtract. Print / choose an operation. New line. B equals new line. Equals int. Input. Enter first number. New line. Number. Get two numbers in operation. New line. Equals. New line. Op equals N2 equals float. Input. Second number. Op equals input. Operation.
Okay, so I like this first one here. This.
Out GitHub editor actions toolbar. GitHub Copilot preview editor group 2 end of main. GitHub end no problems group live share notification tweet feedback Copilot Python group spaces 4 group tweet feedback group entering active use Witcher toolbar explorer leaving explorer enter leaving files explorer entering actions toolbar close command levels
if it can do WX Python.
Oh, well, Michael. Let me try that as soon as I get done with this calculator. All right, let me try that. That's a good point. Michael asked, "Can you do WX Python?"
leaving tab actions entering
Let's
editor
try
actions
it.
toolbar
Let me write a
list
quick
hello
calculator here.
GitHub Copilot preview editor group 2 editor GitHub end of main No. Live share. Share the workspace.
Let's
Feedback
see.
group. Entering active use switcher tool. Leaving active use switcher. Entering manage toolbar. Accounts. Leaving manage. GitHub Copilot. Preview. Editor group 2. Edit. GitHub Copilot. Preview. Editor group 2. Edit. Accept solution. Hello.py. Edit text. Number. Get two numbers in operation. Number. Calculate results in print. Equals int input. Enter first number. B equals int input. Enter second number. Print. Backslash n choose in operation. Print 1. Add print 2. Subtract print 3. Multiply print 4. Divide. Choice equals int input. Enter choice 1/2/3/4. Insertion at end of text.
I didn't really like that solution. But I guess we're gonna go with it. So, all right. So here we go. All right. So
Edit text. Print 4. Divide. New line. Choice equals int input. New line. Choice equals int input. Enter choice 1/2/3/4. Right parenthesis. Right parenthesis. New line.
So I'm gonna say if
Number. If. C. Choice. Equals. 1. Choice equals 1.
add numbers.
Numbers.
So if choice equals 1, we're gonna add the numbers. Okay. So if choice equals 1, we're gonna go ahead and add our numbers.
Greater than. Type the name. Open GitHub Copilot. Selected. 1 of 750.
And-
GitHub Copilot. Preview. Editor group. 10. GitHub index. 10. So left parenthesis. Edit text. Synthesizing 10/10 solutions. Duplicate hit. New line equals. New line. Number choice equals 1. Number choice equals 2. Subtract numbers. Number choice equals 3. Multiply numbers. Number choice equals 4. Divide numbers. New line. Equals. New line. If choice equals 1. Print A plus B equals A plus B. New line. Equals. New line. If choice equals 1. Print F backslash n left brace or right brace plus left brace B right brace equals left brace A plus B right brace. New line. Equals. New line. If choice equals 1. Print backslash n sum of left brace right brace and left brace right brace is left brace right brace dot format A B plus B. New line. Equals. New line. If choice equals 1. Print backslash n addition A plus B. New line.
Okay, I
Choice
like
equals
all
1.
these, but what I'm gonna choose is the simplest one.
New line. Equals. New line. Number choice equals 1. Add numbers. Number choice equals 2. Subtract numbers. New line. If choice equals 1. Print A plus B equals A plus B.
Okay.
Out of it. Accept solution. If choice equals 1. Print n sum of n is dot format A B. equals
I
C.
don't like that. I don't like that at all. That I can't select a solution accessibly. It selects the next one on the list. I do not like that at all. So there's a little bit of an accessibility bug on Windows, folks. Or I'm sorry, on Mac. Jesus.
If choice equals 1. Print n sum of n edit text. New line. Number choice equals 1. Add numbers.
All right, let me
New
try
line.
this again.
Type the name of a symbol to go to. Menu pop-up. Hello.py. Edit. Greater than. Type the name of a command to run. Open GitHub Copilot. Selected. 1 of
Open
756.
GitHub Copilot.
8 10 solutions. Duplicate hidden. 10 solutions. Duplicate hidden. Edit. Equals. New line. Equals. New line. Number choice equals 1. Add numbers. Number choice equals 2. Subtract number choice equals new line. If choice equals 1. Print left brace right brace plus left brace right brace equals left brace dot format A B plus B. If choice equals 1. New synthesizing 10/10 solutions. Duplicate hidden. New equals. New line. If choice equals 1. Print A plus B equals A plus B. New if choice print F backslash n left brace or right brace. If choice equals 1. Accept solution.
Well, I guess
If
I
choice equals
gotta.
1. Print F A plus B equals A plus B.
What? Okay, so it's like I have to go to the solution afterwards, and then I have to hit the accept button. That's a little bit funky. Okay, so now we have added our numbers. Our next step, folks, is we need to divide our number. I'm sorry, we need to. I can't talk. I guess I can program today, but we need to subtract.
Edit text. If choice equals 1. Print F left brace or right brace plus left brace B right brace equals left brace A plus B right brace. Right quotation mark. Right parenthesis.
I'm so happy that I can't even think straight. This is nuts, folks. So we need to subtract. So
Print if choice equals int input enter choice 1 slash new line print 4 divide print new B equals int input enter set new number get two numbers in operation new line number calculate results in print new line B new print 2 subtract print 3 multiply print new choice number choice equals 1 add numbers if choice equals 1 print F left brace or right if choice equals int input enter choice 1 slash 2 slash 3 slash new line choice equals int input enter choice number choice equals 1 add numbers if print space
So we're gonna say
number S B S S B B S S T A C subtract if C O C choice is 2
subtract if choice is 2.
greater than type the name open GitHub Copilot selected 1 758 8 10 solutions duplicate hidden 10 solutions duplicate hidden equals edit synth new line equals new line if print new line print F left brace or right brace if choice equals 1 Print F, left brace or right brace plus, left brace B right brace equals, left brace plus B right brace.
Ah.
New line, number subtracted choices 2. LF choice equals 2.
Whoa. Okay then. Wait a second. Hold up a minute. Hold up a minute, folks. I know what we're gonna do. Hold on a minute. Hold on. Let me go back. Hold on. Let's back this bus up. Let me back this
Edit,
bus
LF choice
up.
equals 2. Print F, left brace, LF choice
Just a
equals 2.
second, folks.
GitHub Copilot, Python 3.5.64-bit, /home, entering editor actions tool,
Hold on.
split editor right, out edit, hello.py, editor, and a list, hello.py, editor group 1 group. GitHub Copilot, print F, new line, print F, new line, number, new line, equals, new line,
Hold on.
equals.
Go back. I want to write.
GitHub Copilot, preview, editor group 2, edit text, entering quick input list box. GitHub Copilot, select GitHub Copilot, preview, editor group 2, edit text, synthesizing 10/10 solutions,
I want to
duplicate
write
equals,
something. Hold on. I need to go back to my editor.
hello.py application. Out, Files Explorer table. No selection. Hello.py level 1 selected. Hello.py. Hello.py. Hello. Is selected type file name. Press enter to confirm or escape to cancel.
back.
Edit text. Leaving hello.py. Outline section. Selected
need
collapse
to
button.
write,
Group.
so-
Leaving Files Explorer. Entering GHC View Actions toolbar. Leaving GHC View Actions. Entering Files Explorer table. Leaving Files Explorer. Entering quick input list box.
Let me
GitHub
write
Copilot.
something.
GitHub Copilot. Preview. Editor group 2. Edit text.
I need to
Synthesizing 10/10
write
solutions.
something,
Duplicate hidden.
because I need
Equals.
to-
Entering quick input list box. GitHub Copilot. Selected. 1 of 1 application. GitHub Copilot. Preview. Editor group. Your choice equals 2.
Let me write something.
Entering list box. GitHub Copilot. Preview. Editor group 2. Edit text. Synthesizing 10/10 solutions. Duplicate hidden. Python 3.9.764-bit. /n. Editor. GitHub Copilot. Hello.py. Editor. And list. Hello.py. Editor group 1 group. Hello.py. Editor. Space. Edit. Number subtracted choices 2. New line.
And I'm going to say if choice is 3, multiply. So I'm basically writing out all my comments, and I'm having it do it for me. Okay, so if choice
I. V. V. F. C. O. C. E. Choice. New line. F. I.
is
I.
3,
Is 3.
multiply.
New line. M. U. L. T. I. P. L. What? Multiply.
If
New line.
choice
Number. I. If. New line. C. H. O. C. E. Choice. New line.
Is
Is.
4?
New line. 45. 5. 4. 4.
divide.
4. E. E. V. I. C. E. Device. New line. 4. 4. 4. Device. 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 E. E. V. I. C. E. Device. New line. E. C. E. E. Divide. New line. Number choice. New line.
All right, and then I'm going to,
Greater than. Type the name. Open GitHub Copilot. Selected. 1 of 759. 210 solutions. Duplicate hidden. Equals.
Okay.
LF choice equals 2. Edit. Equals. New line. LF choice equals 2. Print F. Left brace or right brace. Left brace B right brace equals. Left brace A. B right brace. New line. Equals. New line. Number choice is 4 divide. Number choice is 5 exit. Number choice is 6 exit. Number choice is 7 exit. Number choice is 9 exit. Number choice is 12 exit. Number choice is 20 exit. Number choice is 21 exit.
whoa.
Number choice is 38 exit. Number choice is 40 exit. Number choice is 4 divide.
That's,
Number else print error. Else.
wait.
New line. Number subtracted choice is 2. New line. Print F. Left brace or right brace. If choice equals 1. New line. Equals. New line. If number choice is 3 multiply. Number choice is 4 divide. Number else print error. Else. New line. Else. Number subtracted choice is 2. Number choice is 3 multiply. Number choice is 4 divide.
Okay, so it doesn't work like that. Okay, well, that was a thought. But that was kind of a mess.
GitHub Copilot. Preview. Terminal. Code. GitHub Copilot. GHC review window. GitHub Copilot.
you ask
Preview.
me.
Editor. Hello.py application.
It was kind of a cluster.
Hello.py. 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 Hello. Is selected type file name. Press enter to confirm or escape to cancel. Edit text. Leaving hello.py. GitHub Copilot. Preview. Number choice is 3 multiply. GitHub Copilot. Preview. Editor group 2. Number. New line. Number subtracted choice is 2. Number choice is 3 multiply. Number choice is 4 divide. Number subtracted choice is 2. Number choice is 3. Number choice is 3 multiply. Its choice is 4 divide. Its choice is not 1/2/3. Number choice is 3 multiply. Its choice is 4. New print F. Left brace or right brace plus left brace B right brace equals. New line. Number choice is 4 divide. GitHub Copilot. Out. Editor. GitHub Copilot. Hello. And list. Ellipsis. Hello.py. Editor group 1 group. GitHub Copilot. Python. Notifications. Selected. Tweet. Copilot. Select.
All right,
Space. LN75. Screen. Live share. No problem. Python 3.9. Notifications. Selected. Tweet feedback. Selected. Copilot logo. Python. Selected button. Spaces. 4. Select LN70. Screen reader optimized. Select live share. No problems. Select Python. Notifications. Selected button. Tweet feed. Copilot logo. Copilot. Out of tweet. Live share. No problems group. Python 3.9. End of. GitHub Copilot. Editor actions tool. GitHub Copilot. Hello.py. End of list. Hello.py. Editor group 1 group. Hello.py. Editor group. New line. Edit. Number choice is 3 multiply. New line. Number choice is 3 multiply. Number choice is 3. Number choice is 3. Number subtracted choice is 2. New line.
All right, so subtractive choice is 2. We're going to go ahead and do that. Subtract.
Greater than. Type the name. Open GitHub Copilot. Select 810 solutions. Duplicate. GitHub Copilot. Preview. Edit. New line. Equals. New line. LF choice equals 2. Print F. Left brace or right brace. Left brace. New line. Number multiply. Choice is 3. New line. number new line.
Um,
GitHub Copilot accept solution. GitHub Copilot index 3. Out of edit. GitHub Copilot preview editor group 2 number new print new line equal new synthesizing 10/10 solutions duplicate hidden new equal new print new number new line accept solution.
well, I guess we're gonna accept
L
it.
choice equals 2 print F A B equals A B number multiply of choice is 3.
Okay. And hey, it even suggested future comments that we can use. So multiply if choice is 3. Exactly. So we're gonna go ahead and do this again, and we're gonna multiply. Okay. And then we're gonna test this thing after we divide. So multiply.
Greater than. Type the name of the command to run. Menu pop-up combo box greater than 756 results group. Open 649. Hello.py. GitHub Copilot preview editor group 2 edit text. Synthesizing 0/10 solutions. Insertion at beginning of text. GitHub Copilot edit text equals new line. If choice equals 1. Print F new line. Number subtract of choice is 2. L choice equals print new number multiply of choice is 3. L choice equals 3. Print new number divide of choice is 4. L choice equals 4. Print F left brace or right brace slash left brace B right brace equals new else. Print invalid input. New line. Equals. New line. If choice equals 1. New line. How to get editor actions toolbar. GitHub Copilot accept solution. If choice print F left brace. If choice equals 1 accept solution. GitHub print new line. Number subtract of choice is 2. L choice equals 2. How to get editor actions toolbar. GitHub Copilot accept solution. Accept solution.
Accept solution,
Hello.py edit
folks.
text. Number get two numbers in operation. Number calculate result in print.
Look
But equals
at
input.
all
Enter first number.
this.
B equals input. Enter second number.
All right.
Print backslash and choose an operation.
What do we
Print
got
edit text.
here?
Print invalid input. Else print invalid input.
All right, are we ready to test this thing, folks? I have no idea if it's going to work. I have no clue. Are we ready to test our calculator that we just made? I am.
Now in Visual Studio Code window. Info. Disabling Copilot.
Uh-oh.
Copilot logo. Deactivate Copilot. No. Copilot
I did
logo.
not mean to
Deactivate Copilot.
deactivate
Selected button.
Copilot. All right, we're going to go to a terminal.
Python.
Python.
Python. Python. H-I-H-E. LLO.py. New file. Hello.py. Line 16.
Uh-oh.
Print F left brace or right brace plus left brace B right brace equals left brace plus B right brace. Caret syntax error. Invalid syntax. Tailrons.
Ooh.
%.
Well, that's not good. It made code that had
Visual Studio
invalid
Code window.
syntax.
Code EDT active. Type the name of an editor to open it. Menu pop-up. No problems. And 4 more items. Status. No problems group. You have not yet opened the folder. Open folder you can clone.
I was afraid that was
Clone
gonna
repository to learn more about how to use it and source it. Now edit. Print else.
All right,
New
let's see
line,
if we can do
number,
that.
new line, print F left brace or right brace. Number new print F left brace or right brace. Left brace B right brace equals left brace A B right brace A space B right quote right new line new right quote right brace B space hyphen space A left brace space
Well,
equals.
and this is where having a little bit of a programming sense will actually help, folks. Because if you have a little bit of programming knowledge, you can be able to fix some of these errors that may be happening from Copilot.
L choice equals 2.
So,
Numbers L print F left brace or right brace left brace B right L new line. Number subtract choice. L
I'm
choice equals 2.
wondering if...
Number subtract L print new line. Print F left brace or right brace left brace B right brace equals left brace A B right brace.
So this solution really didn't work too well. But I'm wondering, because...
L choice equals 2. Print F left brace or right brace left brace B right L choice number subtract choice is 2. L choice equals 2. 2. L choice equals L choice equals
I'm going to go get rid of
L
all
choice
this
equals
other
2.
stuff.
Print F left brace or right brace left brace B right brace equals left brace A B right brace. No L choice equals 2. Numbers new print if number choice new print 4. New number choice equals 1 add numbers. If choice equals 1. If choice equals 1. Print F left brace or right brace plus left brace B right brace equals if choice equals number new line. Choice new line. Choice equals input enter number choice equals 1 add numbers. New line.
The problem here is that it was an invalid solution. So let me try this again, folks, and we're going to do WX.
Type the name of the symbol to go to. Hello.py greater than. Type the name of the command to run. Menu pop-up menu. Open GitHub Copilot. Selected. Hello.py editor group 1. Git 10 select. GitHub Copilot. GitHub Copilot. Git edit. New line. Equals new line. Number choice equals 1 add numbers. Number choice equals 2 subtract. Number choice equals 3 number new equals new line. If choice equals 1. Print A plus B equals A plus B.
This is the one I actually wanted to
New line
set.
equals new line. If choice equals 1. Accept solution. If choice equals 1. Print F and A plus B equals A plus B. Edit text. If choice equals 1. Print F backslash and left brace or right brace plus left brace B right brace equals left brace plus B right brace.
No, I didn't want that one either. So there's a few
If choice
accessibility
equals 1.
problems
Number new line.
that we've got here.
Type the name of the symbol to go to. Menu pop-up. Hello.py greater than. Type the name of the command to run. Open GitHub Copilot. GitHub Copilot preview 6 edit new line equals new line. Number choice equals 2 subtract numbers. Number choice equals number new equal new line. If choice equals 1. New line. Print left brace right brace plus left if new line equals new line. Number choice equals 4 divide number choice number new equals new equal new if print left brace right brace new line equals new line. If choice equals 1 print A plus B equals new line. If choice equals 1.
What I could always do
If choice equals 1, unselected. If choice equals 1, print A plus B equals A plus B, selected.
Can I copy and paste the code that I want? But that's kind of stupid. But that's what I could always do as well. Or could I...
Actions menu 2, press, show menu. Menu, 8 items, copy, run to line, run current file interactive window, copy command C. Command, sorting, run selection slash run to line, run selection, run from line, run copy, command, sorting, run selection slash line, run selection slash line, interact, run from
Well, I
line,
guess
interactive
I
window.
can't, can I?
Closing menu, accept solution. If choice equals 1, print equals, new line. If choice equals 1, print F backslash n, left brace or right brace plus,
No,
left brace,
I
right brace
can't.
equals, left brace plus right brace.
So,
If print F backslash n, left brace, new line. Print F backslash, if choice equals 1, print F backslash n, left brace or right brace plus, new line, space.
alright, so
Unselected,
I
P,
can't
P,
do that,
unselected,
can I?
print F backslash n, left brace or if print F backslash n, left brace or right brace plus, print F backslash n, left brace or right brace plus, left brace equals, left brace plus right brace. Select, P, R. New line.
I don't want to do
New line,
that.
print F backslash equals, print F backslash n, left brace, selection replaced, backslash.
I don't want to do that, folks.
GitHub Copilot, preview, editor, group 2, edit text, synthesizing 10/10 solutions. If choice, print, left brace, right brace plus, left brace equals at 4, new line.
I don't
Print,
want to
new,
do that.
New line, print F, if choice equals 1, new line equals, new line, print A, if choice equals 1. Print A plus B equals,
I
plus
want
B.
this one.
New equals. New line, accept solution. Hello.py, edit text, number, get two numbers in operation, number, count, edit, print F backslash n, left brace or right brace plus,
No.
left brace B, right brace equals, left brace, if choice equals 1, print F n, A plus B equals A plus B. Number, new line. If choice equals 1, print A plus B equals A plus B.
Okay, so copying and pasting code seemed to work a lot better. Copying and pasting the lines that I wanted to actually include from the solution worked a lot better with VoiceOver because look, I was able to get the lines that I wanted and I was able to do it. So let me show you now what happened. So
Terminal. Taylor pro, GHCU%. New line. Hello.py. Enter first number.
whoa.
4. Enter second number. 1. Choose an operation. 1. Add. 2. Subtract. 1. 4 plus 1 equals 5. Taylor pro, GHCU%.
Look at that, folks. Look at that. Isn't that pretty epic? Let's do it again. So
Taylor new. Enter first number. 4. Enter second number. 6. Choose an operation. 2. Taylor
obviously that one doesn't work yet. But look at that though. Isn't that pretty epic? Let's keep doing this.
Code. Print. New
And
line.
then we're gonna do some WS.
Print A plus B equals A plus B. New
So,
line.
and what's gonna be easier is that it's gonna kind of suggest, now that it knows how we're writing this code, it'll make it a lot easier to finish out this program. Because watch, so if I do subtract
Number. F U B T R click V subtract. T V A R T B U S. F U B T R A C space. If C H O C choice equals 2 choice equals
So
new line.
open.
Number subtracted choice equals 2. Greater than. Type the name of the command to run. Menu pop-up. Open GitHub Copilot. Selected. 1 of 750. GitHub Copilot. Preview. 10 solutions. GitHub Copilot. 10/1. Solution. Edit tab equals. New line. If choice equals 1. Print A plus B equals. Number subtracted. L choice equals 2. Print A. B. Number multiply. Choice equals. L choice equals 3.
And look at that, folks. We've got the rest of our program figured out here. So I think so.
Solution. /1. Out of edit. Accept solution. New line. 10. Synthesizing 10/10 solutions. Duplicate hidden. New line. New line. If choice. Print A plus B equals. Accept solution. L choice equals 2. Print A. B equals A. B. Edit tab. Number. Print A slash B. Number choice is not 1, 2, 3, or else. Print. Invalid input.
All right, folks. We have a calculator now. We've got a calculator, and we're going to try it.
Terminal. New. Enter first number.
5.
4. Enter second number.
Or
Enter
4.
second number.
1.
1. Choose an operation.
2.
Add. 2. 4. 1 equals 3. Taylor on Taylor-macro-pro GHCU%.
And it'd be nice if it would loop, and it would loop until the program was done. So it would be nice if it would loop, so after it's done with the operation, if it would loop and ask for more numbers.
Taylor, new.
So
Enter first number.
4.
3.
Or 4.
3. 4. Enter second number.
Times, so 3.
2.
Or actually,
2.
sorry. 4, 2.
2. Choose an operation. Add. Subtract.
3.
Multiply. 3. 4 asterisk 2 equals 8. Taylor on
Okay, and one more.
Taylor, new. Enter first number.
4.
4. 4. Enter second number.
2.
Enter second number. 2. Choose an operation. Add.
4.
Subtract. Multiply. 4. 4. 2 equals 2. Taylor on
Y'all?
GHCU%.
I just made a calculator using GitHub Copilot. Excuse me, but that is pretty epic. Okay, it's time to step up things notch. And I've realized I've been streaming for who knows how long. But it's time to step up a notch.
Code.
So,
Hello.py. GHC review window.
all right,
Hello.
that's boring. This is boring. So let's do WX Python. All right, here we go.
Editor, edit text.
I'm going to call this WX.py.
Insane edit. WX. Double P. Y. Hello.py. And WX.py.
All
Edit
right.
text. Closing dialog.
So I'm going to say create, let's see.
Number. C. E. X. Double X. P. Wixperson. Edit. Wixper. W. P. P. W. Double X. P. E. O. N. Wixperson. P. P. L. C. H. I. O. N. Application. Greater than. Type the name of the command to run. Menu pop-up. Menu pop. Open GitHub Copilot. Select 109 results. 8 10 solutions. Equals.
Right.
HTTP:// edit. New line. New line. Number. H. New line. Import WX. Import WX.grid. New line.
Oh, Michael, we've got a problem.
Equals.
Look at this.
New line. Number WX. New line. Import WX. New line. Equals. New line. Number create a status bar. Number create a toolbar with a few buttons. Number create a menu with a few menu items.
Whoa.
New line. Import WX. Import WX. New line. Import WX.lib.instant.inspection. New equals. New line. Number by vacuum. New line. Import WX. New line. Equals. New line. Number author. K.Y. Should number date. April 20. Number. New import WX. New line. Equals. New line. Number author. Yuji Jung. Number date. New import WX. New line. Equals. New line. Number author. Vasily. New line. New line. Number author. New line.
Okay,
Number
so
author.
I'm going to try this other one here.
New line. Import WX. New line. Number by vacuum. New line. Equals. New line. Import. New line. Number create a toolbar with a few buttons. Accept solution. Author. Vasily Pedak less than.
Okay, so that didn't work too well. So hold
Number
on.
create spin application. No edit text. Number author. Vasily Pedak less than. Applicant. Number author. Vasily Pedak less than. Number author. New line.
All right, let's try this again.
Greater than. Type the name of the command to run. Menu pop-up. Open GitHub Copilot. Selected. 109 results. Git edit text. New line. New line. Import WX. New line. Number create spin application. Number. New line. Equals. New line. Number create spin application. Number create a frame with a button. New line. Import WX. Accept solution. Cannot edit in the editor. Import. New line. Import WX. GitHub Copilot preview. Import. New line. New line. Number create a frame with a button. New line. Import WX. New line. Double import. Button. How to edit. Accept solution. GitHub Copilot. Accept solution. WX.py. Edit text.
Okay.
Number create spin application. Edit. App equals WX.app. Frame equals WX.frame. None. WX.id underscore any. Hello world.
Michael? I think we have a WX Python application on our hands. Are you watching me right now? Because you requested this, and I think we've got an application, folks. Let me run it.
Terminal.
Do
review.
I have WX Python in here? Python.
Python. Python. N-O-H-T-P. Taylor Y. P. O. L. O. Period. P. O. O-L-L-E-H. Space.
I think we've got a problem, folks.
Double X. New. Traceback. Most recent call last file.
Well,
WX.py.
I don't
Line 2.
know.
In module. Import WX file. /users. /Taylor /documents. -HC review. /WX.py. Line 3. In module. App equals WX.app. Attribute error. Module object has no attribute. App. Taylor Taylor /macbook -pro.
Okay.
GHC review %.
So the only problem that I find is that sometimes the code isn't syntactically correct. But that's where having a good programming knowledge. But usually I wouldn't say create a WX Python app. So I would say like
Code.
create.
WX.py. Number create spin application. Import WX app equals W authentication. Login enter password. Tip 17 characters. Dim secure text. Log. Login. Dim button. Login failed. Code. WX.py.
So I would
GHC
say,
review
for
window.
example-
WX.py. GHC review window. In sensor indicators. Close button. Minimize button. Terminal. GHC review.
Okay.
Zip code. Minimize button. Full. WX.py. GHC review. End of. Manage. Heading level 2. Explore. Explore. Full. Outline section. Selected collapse button. Group. Main. Editor. List. Tilde. Ellipsis. List. Editor actions. Toolbar. List WX.py. 2 items. Tilde /documents /GHC review /WX.py. Group. With 2 items. 1 of 2. Ellipsis. 2. End of list. W. End. No problems. Group. Python 3. End of main. WX.py. Group. Terminal. Code. WX.py. Group. Google Chrome. Play. Link. Heading level 1. Playing with GitHub Copilot. First thoughts on accessibility. 1 watching now. Roll it.
Alright.
Code. End of. No problem. Live share.
So-
Share. Notification. Tweet. Copilot. Python. LF group. UT. Space. LF. Screen reader. Cannot. End of. Cannot. Screen reader optimized group. Cannot edit in the editor.
I'm stuck, folks.
wx.py dirty selected new line. Number create spin application. Number create spin application.
Okay, we're gonna try this out.
Number
Create
C R E
WX.
T E space W P.
I'm gonna restart
X, voiceover
voiceover. Voiceover's being slow.
Voiceover encode. wx.py edit text. Number create Wixmithon. C R E A T Wixmithon. Space.
Application
P L C A T I O N
with hello
E L L O W
world.
world. Closing menu. wx.py edit text. Number greater than. Type the name. Open GitHub Copilot. 109 results. GitHub Copilot. GitHub 10. Edit equals new line. Number create new line. Import wx new line equals new line. Number create application number new line. Import new equals new line number. Import new line equals new number new line number equals new line. Synthesizing send/10 solutions duplicate hidden. New line equals new line new synthesizing send/10 solutions duplicate hidden. New line new line. Import wx new line equals new line number new line. Import new line equals new line number. Import new line number create number new line
Well, that's a bunch of garbage.
number world hello out of edit accept solution number edit number
That's a bunch of garbage, folks.
number create application hello number C R E A T create double X double A O N Python P L C A T I O N application T with U T O N button T A that R E A D E L L O hello R E world at no editor symbols menu pop-up combo double greater than type the name of the command to run menu pop-up terminal create new terminal control shift recently open GitHub Copilot select open GitHub Copilot select wx.py editor group 1 edit GitHub Copilot preview GitHub edit new line equals new line number create wx new line import wx new line equals new line number import wx new line GitHub Copilot preview in wx import number new line equals new line import new line number new equals new synthesizing 10/10 solutions duplicate hidden new line import new line wx wx import number wx number world out of edit accept solution no, cannot edit in the editor number import wx edit import wx number create wx Python application button number.
Okay, so something's not working right. So let me try this again, folks.
Number create wx Python application button hello number wx double p t a o Python p l c a I o n application greater than type the name of it open GitHub Copilot preview editor group 2 edit GitHub Copilot in synthesize edit equals new line number new line import new line number new line new line equals new line import wx new line number new line equals new line synthesizing 9/10 solutions duplicate hidden s y new line equals number new line 6 9 10 solution left parenthesis space left parenthesis no problems selected button group Python notification tweet feedback Copilot logo Python space ln1 cop screen live no Python notification tweet Copilot Python space ln screen reader optimized selected entering active use switcher toolbar explorer shift command E to leaving active use GitHub Copilot preview edit entering editor actions toolbar leaving editor actions new line equals new line number new line import new line equals new line number new line
I'm having some issues, folks.
new line new line synthesizing 9/10 new line equals new line number new line import new line import accept solution wx.py edit text number wx edit number wx Python application
Okay. So let's break this down a little bit more. So import
number
Michael Doyce
WX.
or create wx Python window.
Create WX Python window. I could try that. Import WX. I'm just going to kind of break it down step by step and see. That's the thing, folks. You still have to use your problem solving skills because things aren't always going to work. So
greater than type the name of the command to run open GitHub Copilot wx.py editor group GitHub Copilot
let's do that.
edit new line equals new line number import wx import size from wx.lib new line from new line GitHub Copilot in synth 510 solution new line equals new line number import wx Number from WX.lib. Number from WX.lib.mixin.liccctrl import number from WX.lib.mixin.liccctrl import column sorter mixin.
What is all this?
Number from WX.lib.mixin.liccctrl import number from WX.lib.mixin.liccctrl
You know what? I should have
number from
said-
WX.lib.mixin.liccctrl number from WX.lib.mixin.liccctrl import this control with mixin. 2 results. Python 3.9.7 64-bit //home/python 3 group.
I should have
Python
said
3.9.7 64-bit and editor GitHub Copilot preview GitHub Copilot preview editor number from WX.lib.mixin.liccctrl import this editor WX.py editor group 1 WX.py editor group 1 group GitHub Copilot new line number from WX.lib.mixin.liccctrl number from WX synthesizing 5/10 solutions Python 3.9.7 64-bit leaving files explorer
I should
outline
have
section, enter tab
said
actions toolbar
WX
close
Python.
command leaving tab actions leaving editor actions list double space edit number import WX
Let me try that again.
number import WX number M-P-R import double X double P H-O-N Python new line greater than type it open GitHub Copilot preview editor group 2 edit text synthesizing 2/10 solutions equals number import WX Python import WX equals number 2/10 solutions equals import WX Python import WX equals new line number import v WX.lib.plot import WX.lib.plot as plot number import v WX.lib.scroll panel not import number import v import WX number import v import WX.lib.hw.flat menu as FM number import v WX.lib.hw import number import v import WX.lib.hw.pycol import import new import WX number import WX number import numpy import matplotlib import matplotlib number import matplotlib.cm import number import matplotlib.tickers number import matplotlib.back underscore q tag as new line import WX
Wow. All right. This is a lot of stuff, folks.
number import matplotlib.cbook as number import matplotlib.cm number import matplotlib.colors as colors new line equals new line import WX.lib.hw.pycol number import v WX import WX.lib.hw.pycol number import v WX.lib import v WX.lib.hw.flat menu as FM new line synthesizing 6/10 solutions new equals new line number import WX Python import WX number import v WX.lib.plot module import WX selected
And this is the case where I don't want the whole
Import
solution
WX,
because this
unselected.
is going to be a nightmare.
new line
So
Python 3.9.7 64-bit //home
what I'm going to do?
leaving editor actions entering tab actions toolbar close command leaving tab actions
Is-
WX.py new line edit text new line number import WX Python new
I'm
line
going to do that.
import WX import new line
Now, what
new
else
line.
is going to happen here?
C class not selected 1 of 12 C WX.py editor group 1 menu pop-up edit text number import WX Python import WX 3 insertion at end of word 3 WX double X new line C 3 unselected
So
3
create
number C O E A T E W 2 results E O W window
window.
WX class my frame WX frame def underscore self parent title super my frame self space true self super my frame self underscore parent title size equals 300 200
Y'all. Whoa.
self dash out true space self
What happens now? What if we run it?
terminal GHC review zip new traceback most recent call last file WX.py line 2 in module import WX file /users /tailor /documents /GHC review /WX.py line 4 in module class my frame WX frame attribute error module object has no attribute frame tailor
Do I have WX
tailor
Python?
tailor GHC review percent P Y T H O O A T
Python.
P T Y O N 3 Python 3 P I P pip
Actually.
login P I P N O H T Y P P Y O O H T
Michael Doyes.
P
Fantastic.
3
Oh?
space I in T A L in double X P Y T O N new line collecting Smith download WX 0 4 02 1 1 full block backslash roar running roar error command error out exit status 1 command /home /python 3.9 /python 3.9 UC import IO OS size setup tools tokenize size ARTV 0 equals /private /var /folder /1 2 /5 4 TV and 1 5 APD TW 9 CJF 3 0 0 0 0 DM /T /pip install 1 TK underscore WL 1 /7 underscore E 0 4 6 1 3 7 6 1 7 4 0 9 6 0 5 6 0 2 1 7 /setup PY underscore file underscore equals
So, yeah, I have to install that. So we're going to take this up one more notch, folks. Holy moly, I've been streaming for almost, I don't even know how long. We're going to take this up one more notch, folks. We're going to try our hand at some JavaScript. We're going to try our hand at some Express.
Chrome, play, vision code, WX.py, GHC, Untitled 1, editor group 1, edit text. Insave as dot. S-E-R-R-E-S. I-N-C-E-X. X-E-C-N-I. N D E X. Index.
Are you ready for this, Michael?
Index.js.
Are
Editor,
you
move on.
ready for this?
Closing dialog.
Here we go.
C R E T E X R E X S E E V E R. Receiver. Edit text. / create express receiver.
Whoops.
/ create express receiver.
So we're gonna use our Express framework.
C R E A T E create E X R E F F express S E R V E R server. Const express equals require express.
Oh boy.
/ const express equals
Okay.
require express. Semicolon. New line. Express. Const equals express. Const express equals require express. Const equals express. Space. Space. Semicolon. Semicolon. New line.
Michael Toys. Stream soon on installing WX Python on M1 soon.
Michael, I'm not sure what that exactly means. Are you gonna...
Const equals express. Const express equals require express. Const
Alright, so let's see what else we've got.
index. Const equals express. / create express server. Const server. Const express equals require express. Const express / new line. New R.
So open Copilot.
Great. Open GitHub Copilot. 110 results. Index.js. Editor group 1. Edit text. GitHub Copilot. Preview. Edit 1 equal new line / create express server. Const equals express. Const body parser. Const mongoose equals require mongoose.
Mongoose? Really?
New line. Const users equals require /roots. Const movie equals require /roots /movie.
Aww.
Const comment equals require /roots /comment.
Y'all?
New line. Mongoose connect mongoose. Localhost 27017
Wait.
/UDP. Left brace use URL parser. True right brace.
Michael, I think this, Express code connects to a Mongoose database.
Mongoose promise equals global promise. New line. App.use body parser.json. App.use body parser.url. New line.
Holy smokes.
App.use rec reads next equals greater than
Michael
reads
Toys.
access control hour
We
star.
need to stream that later this week.
Okay.
Reads set header access control out headers origin X requested with content reads set header access control next. Right brace. New line. App.use /API /users. App.use /API /movies movie roots.
Movies. What is this about?
App.use /API /comments comment roots. New line equals. New line / create express server. Const equals express. / set the view engine to app.set view engine as. / use public folders. App.use express static __ dirname plus /public. / use body parser middleware. App.use body parser.json. App.use body parser.url encoded extended. New line. / homepage. App.get
Michael
reads equals greater
Toys.
than left brace.
Yep.
Reads.render pages index. Right brace. New line. App.get about rec reads equals greater than reads.render pages about right brace. New line. App.get contact rec reads equals greater than left brace. Reads right new line. App.get products rec reads equals greater than left reads right new line. App.get services rec reads equals greater reads right new line. App.get login rec reads.render right new line. App.get register rec reads equals greater than left reads right new line. App.get forgot password rec reads equals greater than reads right new line. App.get reset password rec reads equals reads right new. App.get dashboard rec reads equals greater than reads right new line. App.get dashboard 2 rec reads equals greater than left
I
brace.
am going to, you
Read
know
right
what
new line.
myself right now.
App.get dashboard 3 rec reads equals greater than left right reads right new line equals new line / const express equals require const equals express const port equals 3000 new line. App.use express static public. App.set view engine as. New line. App.get rec reads equals greater than reads.render index right brace. New line equals. New line / create express server. Const express equals require express. Const equals express new line / middleware. App.use express new line / roots. App.get rec reads.send hello world right brace. New line / listen. App.listen 3000 equals greater than
Okay,
left brace.
this is the one I want to use because this is the simplest example, okay? Now, I'm afraid I'm going to have my little bug here, so I want to use this example. So I'm going to...
Accept solution. Const express equals require express. Const equals express. Middleware. App.use express.json. Roots. App.get rec reads equals greater than. Reads.send hello world. Listen. App.listen 3000 equals greater than. Console.log listening on port 3000.
Uh-oh. All right, y'all. I have got a hello world thing in Express. All right.
Chrome.
Terminal.
Playing with GitHub. Terminal. GHC review. Space.
We're gonna
percent,
do,
Taylor, GHC review percent. NP. NPT. N.
No.
N-O-D-E. No.
Index.
Dex.js. New /users /document /GHC review /index.js /16. Syntax error. Unexpected end of input. Add object compile function. No code being 352118. Chrome. Playing. Visual code. Edit. New line. New semicolon.
Right
Semicolon.
brace, maybe?
Selection replaced. Right brace.
Or,
Chrome.
hold on.
Playing with it. Terminal. GHC review. Taylor. No. New /users /document /GHC review /index.js /16. Right brace. Caret. Syntax error. Missing after argument list. Add object compile function. No code being visual code. In right new semi right parenthesis. Apostrophe. App console.log listening on port 3000. Right brace. New right brace. Selected. Const app / listen. App.listen 3000 equals greater than left brace. Console.log new line. New semicolon.
Right brace.
Selection replaced. Right brace. Terminal. New at wrap safe. No colon internal slash modules slash CJS slash loader colon 1031:15 at module underscore compile. No colon internal slash modules slash CJS slash loader colon 1065:27 at object dot module underscore extensions dot JS. No colon internal slash modules slash CJS slash loader colon 1153:10 at module dot load. No colon internal slash modules slash CJS slash loader colon 91:32 at function dot module underscore load. No tailor on tailor dash r slash no new at module underscore compile. No colon internal tailor on tailor dash r slash macro dash n p m f I n t a l l install. E X P E F S new line Python W added 50 packages and audited 51 packages at once. Found 0 vulnerabilities. Tailor on tailor dash r slash macro dash pro GHC review percent. Tailor on tailor dash r slash macro dash pro new users tailor on documents GHC review index.js colon 16 syntax error missing after argument list at object compile function no colon tm colon 352:18 at wrap safe no colon internal slash modules slash CJS slash loader colon 1031:15 at module underscore compile no colon internal slash modules slash CJS slash loader colon 1065:27 at object module underscore extensions dot JS no code console right new line right brace terminal new at wrap safe no colon internal slash modules slash CJS slash loader colon 1031.
Okay, I'm not sure what's wrong with this, but I'm still trying to figure it out. But either way, folks, I've been able to create an Express app. I've been able to create a calculator, and I've been able to mess with WX Python. This thing can do anything, and it's incredible. I'm telling you, it's incredible. This is incredible, folks. This is incredible.
Code console right brace console.log listening on port 3000 right brace right new send right parenthesis apostrophe app.listen 3000 equals greater than left brace log listening listen log left equal left parenthesis left right parenthesis right left space comma 0 3000 listen list 3000 comma space left parenthesis left space equals greater than left brace console equals greater than left brace console.log listening on port 3000 equals greater than console.log listening on port 3000 terminal app.listen 3000 syntax error unexpected end of input object tailor on tailor dash code comma 0 comma right parenthesis right 0 left n terminal no new line.
Y'all, I've got an Express server going. I've got an Express server. Yup. I've got an Express server, folks.
Doc. So Finder open. Safari open. Two.
Right.
Safari open. Safari open location.
Localhost.
Gen.linode L host L unselected S street
colon
3 unselected 0 unselected 0 unselected 0 unselected insertion at end of text closing menu toolbar web content.
All right.
Web content. Hello world.
Hello world, folks. This is an Express server, and I've got it going. All right, y'all. This is gonna end stream. If you want more of this content, then you need to subscribe because I've got more of it coming. This is honestly the most fun I've had in a while, and I'd have more fun if Michael Doise was on stage with me, but unfortunately he isn't. But, folks, this will do it for today. I'm going to go on Clubhouse, and I'm going to have a great time. So I will talk to y'all later, and keep programming.
Terminal.
All right, everyone. I am out.
Index.js Safari.
Bye, everyone.
Hey, on. I got Copilot today too.